Magandang hapon po ng August 24, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 24, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, August 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 24, 2024, Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for Saturday, August 24, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 24, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.